If you have an exterior door that leaks air, let me show you a quick fix in under 60 seconds. To get started, you'll need 2 screwdrivers, 1 straight and 1 Phillips. Looking down at the threshold, you'll see 4 screws that are designed to adjust the threshold either up or down. Using the Phillips screwdriver, turn the screws counterclockwise to raise the threshold, being careful to turn each screw equally. If the threshold doesn't appear to be moving, check the corner for debris, clearing it and tapping lightly on the threshold if necessary. Once adjusted correctly, the door's bottom sweep will drag slightly while the door closes, creating a proper seal. The last place to look is the strike plate. When adjustments are needed here, you'll notice that the door, even when closed and latched, still moves, creating a gap not only for air, but light as well. To fix this, use the flat screwdriver and place it in the tab of the strike plate. Now bend it slightly out, and don't worry, you can always bend it more if needed. Once this is adjusted correctly, the door will shut and latch tightly without any movement in or out. And just like that, your door is back to keeping the weather out and keeping you more comfortable. As a side note though, this may not fix every door, as some doors may have broken seals or more structural issues. As an added bonus, if you have an interior door that rattles, you can make the same strike plate adjustments as you did for the exterior doors, fixing that rattle once and for all. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope it's been helpful. If it has, hit that thumbs up, drop me a comment below, and I'll see everybody next Tuesday.